Hello, this is Barry Nirmal. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe link below. Friends, in this video, I will show you how to assemble this pressure washer. It's called Greenworks Elite 2000 PSI pressure washer, EPW 2000. So this is the manual they give you. It's manual EPW-2000. Okay. So first, what we do is that this is the pressure washer, and it comes with this piece. Okay. So this piece, I assembled this part here. This part where the gun goes, this is the gun holder. So we just put it in the hole, and then there are two screws we put in the screws. So then after this one we just press on this one. Say this one here, you press, and then you insert. So you press and you insert into this, and then it clicks. So this one is assembled. Now this one here, this part here is like basically this part holds all these nozzles. So this one we insert. There are holes here, 1, 2. There are 2 holes. So we put this insert into 2 holes, into here like this. We insert it into this, and then there are screws here. See this screw on the back. I pull the screw, and then it goes in the in that thing. So we then we tighten the screws. So we this screw, I'm going to tighten it. So this one we tighten, and then now I will show you how to put together the wheel. See this wheel, there is a big hole here. Okay, so the wheel is basically, we have this big piece, we insert into this, and then this goes into this big wheel. Okay, and then this wheel here again, now this side here, okay, so this one here, we insert this this piece here. Okay, let me show you here, this way. So we insert like this. Then this piece here goes like this, and then this washer goes on top of this, and then this pin here, see this pin? This pin, we insert into this hole here, and all the way. All the way, okay? And this is one side, and then the other side is here. Okay? So this one again, we we insert like this. Okay, we insert here like this, and then in this one here, I take this piece here like this, then this this washer, and then in this hole we put this one here. See how it goes all the way. So now the wheel has been assembled. Okay, so the wheel has been assembled, and now to put together, now to assemble the, this is the water. See this soap holder. The soap holder goes into this. See, the soap holder, it goes into this, and then see, this soap holder has a pipe. See this pipe? This pipe goes into here. See this soap holder has a pipe here. This pipe goes into this because the soap will go through this pipe into the machine, so that it will get mixed with water and then sprayed. Okay, so we put the soap holder like this, and then now I'll show you how to connect the power cord. See, the power cord is attached firmly to the body. The other end, this goes into the wall outlet. Okay, so put it into a wall outlet that can take a big load of electricity. And then this one is reset. If the power is not turning on, you just press this to start. And then to test, if you press this test button, this one will turn off the power. This is to test that this works. This is called GFCI, ground fault circuit interrupter. So this one, and if you have to use an extension cord, make sure it's one-piece extension cord, not too long, and should have very thick wire, thick cable, so that it can carry about at least 15 amperes of current. So this one goes into the outlet, and then it also comes with a hose. This hose is supposed to be kinkle free. Okay, so it's kink free, so it will not kink. So this one here, see at the back of the machine is this place here. See, this is where this goes. So you insert into this and screw it in. Okay, and then just hold on 1 second. Now this one here, the gun, see the gun has a fitting like this. So this one, it goes into this. See the gun has a fitting, so you see how it goes, it inserts, and then you tighten it. So you screw it in one side, one part into this. It's all screwed in. And then this one here is the gun, right? The water. Now the other end of the blue hose, okay? Other end of the blue hose is here. This goes into this spray gun. See spray gun. This has, by the way, all these water connections have a rubber washer, and the rubber washer must be there. Number one, number two. After a few years, if the rubber washers are worn out, if you can find it, put a new one, because if the washers are worn out, then you will have leak where the water joins. So you will have a water here, water leak here, water leak here. So make sure that all your connections have pressure washer rubber washers. Okay, so this one is assembled. So now this assembled, the water will come out through here, new hose, and then the water from your garden hose will connect here. See, from the garden hose you connect the water hose here, and then this one you turn like this to go over the water hose and make sure it's tight. And then to operate it, what you do is that you, as the manual says, first turn the water on. So the water comes inside the machine and it tries to fill this machine tank. And then you use the gun and press it to discharge the air in the pipe. Okay, you press the gun to discharge the air. You will not have water coming out too much, but first turn the water on, and then you turn the electricity on like this. Here is a switch. It tells you which one is on, which one is off. So turn it on, then the machine turns on, and then to spray it, you just press this, and then this one here, this is how you change the nozzle. See the nozzle here? It comes with one turbo nozzle and two other nozzles plus a soap nozzle. So if you want to spray soap, you use the soap nozzle. Otherwise, there's a 25 degree, 40 degree. They say 40 degrees for cars. Okay, never use 25 degree for cars, because 25 degree gives you very high pressure water discharge. So it might damage the paint of your car. So for cars, use 40 degree. And then, see here, if I want to insert this, I push it down, I insert it, and then I push it up. Okay, so it's all connected. And if I want to remove it, you just press it down, and then you put another one. And so this is how you assemble the machine. Now there's one more thing. This one here, you we also have to see how it goes. This one. So this one now will hold the hose. See, your hose will nicely stay here, and then the gun, you can put it here like this for storage. So you put the gun here like this, hose here, and then all the electric connections, you can just put it here for storage. For storage, the cables will go here like this. And then now you can store it. Now where do you store it? You store it inside the house. Never store it in the garage, because in the garage you can have very cold, extreme cold in the winter and extreme hot in the summer. And all these washers I showed you, the rubber washers, they can get damaged. And so store it inside. And also while using it, never point the gun towards a person or an animal like dog or cat, because the pressure is very high, and even though it's only 2000 PSI maximum, by the way, it's 2000 PSI maximum, not all the time. So if you point it to somebody, some human beings, he can get injured, he can even die. He can be blinded if you put him on his eyes, okay? So and after a few years, what happens is that sometimes you may have leak here, you may have leak here, leak where the water goes into the machine, the water hose here where it goes in the machine. So if there is a leak and you cannot fix it easily, you can buy a hose separately from Home Depot or Amazon.com. You can buy a gun separately. So these are interchangeable. You can the way it is designed is that the gun can be removed easily. You can buy a separately gun. You can buy a hose separately, and that's about it. Okay, thank you. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and also share this video with your friends. Thank you very much. Hello. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Also write your comments in the comment section below. Spread the word. You can share this video with your friends by clicking on the share button below, and you can share it with WhatsApp, with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and by sending email to your friends.